Kopogre gi manya kwa Ramogi wanga bende parni kambi matimo nonro mar TIFA okoni jo Kenya winjo mapek mar uchumi geta malo 48 ka kech tong wano oganda koda tamalo 23 ka onge mar tich bende midhiero maduong' e kind jo Kenya kod kwana tamalo 13. TIFA okoni piny owacho okoso chopo singo mare kendo johera mag Azimio se mokalo. E ripod no bende oyango ni moko kuom jotend migepe mosene katiyo nyaka ne gidonje apisi gin Profesa Kindiki ma bende otelo kod kwana tamalo 26 kilwe kod Ezekiel Machogu kod kwana tamalo 10. Musalia Mudavadi bende obire namba mar 3 kod kwana tamalo 4.
We asked people their education level, we asked if they were married or not, their marital status, their hali ajira nini, and then we also asked them if there's any political coalition you support, which one is that? So each one of these 2,065 respondents, we could valisha them with a fulana, with a jersey, so we know whether they are Kenya Kwanza supporters or Azimio supporters, or they don't support any. And that allows us to do a correlation calculation so that we can show you for these three groupings as well as total how people answered certain questions. Do you not see that Azimio leadership is even refusing to recognize the Kenya Kwanza government as legitimately elected? I mean, there's a big debate out there.